Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
The creator of this product is Daniel Melandri. He's a recommended specialist in the world of video creation. Now, the Kids Video Stories Masterclass joins the long list of his video products, and it is expected to be a highly prized buy on the seller's list. In a nutshell, Kids Video Stories is a premium masterclass where Daniel Melandri shows you how to create stunning kids' stories, their videos, entirely with artificial intelligence. Now, this is a great way to craft engaging and meaningful videos for kids about important life lessons and fun stories. Now, there are 7 things you should know about this product. Number 1, artificial intelligence tools does all the hard work for you. So you can engage in the process without very much work. Number 2, you can start a low-stress business without needing fancy skills. Number 3, the kids market is hot. So we know that the children's markets will continue to grow and will continue to grow well into the future. And number 4, the created stories are evergreen stories, which means that they can last for a long, long time. And number 5, you can start without any experience. Number 6, you get a 14-day money-back guarantee with this product. And number 7, you need to act fast because you can receive 2 extra bonuses. The Done-For-You Kids Stories Pack that you can turn into videos, and the Artificial Faceless Domination, which is an ebook that explains how you can be faceless on YouTube without any tech skills. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. There's a front end which includes the Kids Video Stories Masterclass, which for $12.98. But you need to act quickly, as it goes up to $17. There is a front-end bump, which includes 100 ChatGPT Kids Stories prompts for $12.95. There are two OTOs. One, you get YouTube Ranking Masterclass for $27, and it is loaded with tips to get your YouTube videos ranked at the top. And there's OTO2, Artificial Intelligence Mid-Journey Prompts Generator at $37. Now, a copy and paste prompt that creates prompts in any niche or category. This package also includes Daniel's previously released viral videos with 100% unrestricted use rights. A great bargain. But watch for the downsells, as you will save some money, but you'll also get less product. Now, if you want to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And don't forget to press the first link below and earn $10,000 monthly, and that is found in the first link below. And don't forget my 4 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to thousands of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and then pocket the difference. They show you how to gain reoccurring income online with ease. And they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Thank you for watching.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn reoccurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.